Saira Shah Halim, I'm afraid today Dr. Qureshi is not taking a direct line. He's being very ambiguous and ambivalent in his response to the failures of the Election Commission. Do you think the Election Commission should have pulled up political parties much earlier and laid down the red line rather than waking up in the middle of the court and realizing that there is a pandemic on and not saying anything for all these weeks?
No, you're right, absolutely, Rahul. See, the thing is, it's the responsibility of the central government as well as the state governments and the Election Commission of India to lay down guidelines. Like last, if you remember, the clauses 9 and 10 of the guidelines of COVID-19, they were very clear that there will be no religious, social, cultural, political gathering without any exceptions. So what is the rule this year? I mean, have they made an exception? Has COVID cases, have they started declining? Because if you look at these 2 lakh cases, in the last 24 hours, this is absolutely unprecedented. And I must add one thing, that the CPIM in Bengal has taken a landmark step, in the midst of elections by cancelling all political rallies. I think the rest of the political parties should also set precedents and cancel these, these congregations, these rallies, along with other religious congregations.
Parajata Sarangi, do you have something to say on this? Because, from top to down, every single political leader is guilty of not following all protocols himself.
I entirely agree with you.
Not ensuring that people in the rally follow all protocols.
I entirely agree with you, Rahul. All of us are collectively responsible because all of us have been flouting COVID appropriate behavior norms. Not one political party can be named. Each one of us is to be blamed. Now at this juncture, let me tell you, there are 15 days left. 27th of April, the campaigning comes to an end. 29th is the last date of poll in West Bengal. Now here there are 15 days left. The cancellation or the postponement of the election is not the answer. Had it been done, it would have been done earlier. Now, there are things which can be done. Election Commission of India should call the representatives of all the political parties at this juncture immediately, without loss of time. And they can always suggest digital rallies henceforward, right from tomorrow, number one. Number two, they can always club. I think today the TMC chief, Mamata Banerjee ji, has also spoken in favor of that. There is absolutely cutting across party lines. Let me tell you honestly, this is a national emergency and all of us need to work together and think together. But then, yes, the ECI has to take the lead, and as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, whatever the directive of ECI, we would be bound by that and we would be following that.
Raghav Chadha, is Delhi better prepared this time? Last time I recall that Delhi said, no, we have sufficient number of beds, all will be well. Eventually you had to turn to the centre for greater help. Is the Aam Aadmi Party better prepared for the second wave than you were for the first?
Thank you for finally coming to me, Mr. Sardesai. First of all, as far as the medical health infrastructure in Delhi is concerned, we are well equipped. In the last 1 week alone, the government of Delhi has increased 8,000 more beds to the existing tally of the hospital beds to treat COVID patients. And as of now, at this very moment, we have close to 15,000 beds in Delhi to treat COVID patients, roughly 35% of which are vacant. Apart from that, of course, there is a huge number of ICU beds, ventilators, etc., which are rapidly, of course, being occupied by patients.
Now, are you telling me that even if the numbers rise, Delhi will be able to meet the capacity? The fear is numbers will continue to spike.
Right, of course, that is the fear, and if only you permit me to finish, you will get the response to your answer. The positivity rate, Mr. Sardesai, in Delhi has been rapidly increasing at an alarming pace. From less than 5%, we are at 18% positivity rate, and it was extremely essential to apply brakes to this increasing positivity rate, because in the event that the rate continues to grow at this very pace, the entire medical health infra in Delhi will certainly be completely overwhelmed, and therefore the government of Delhi has taken certain measures and implemented certain restrictions in Delhi, like the weekend curfew, etc. Now, these, apart from creating awareness, will also change patterns of behavior, and a very fine balance is being attempted by the Honorable Chief Minister between lives and livelihood.
Dr. Vikram Singh,
let me
possible to shift elections midway, from 4 phases to 1 phase? In your appreciation, will it throw the system out of gear, especially in these very volatile times?
It is easier said than done. Unprecedented deployment of force has been done. 793 paramilitary force companies in this election, which is an all-time record. And to scale it down also will have concomitant problems also. If we see, of course, there is no way anyone can disagree with Dr. Bagai has said. It's a very scary situation. It has to be addressed. But also we need to address that if 793 companies that have been deployed, how do we handle their redeployment, re-escalation? As you very rightly mentioned, movement of force is a tricky job. It requires the chipping in of all resources of like trucks, trains, even the air support units, and under these circumstances of acrimony and polarization, the deployment, I see no way why the deployment of force can be diluted. And therefore, I would say to scale it down would be, I would not say that you should reduce it to 1 level or to 4 levels, but to scale it down is a big no.
Scaling it down is a big no. Okay, Mr. Bajoria, last 30 seconds, you wanted to respond to this.
Very quick. I think there's a solution. All over India, polls happen. They happen in such calm and quiet atmosphere. Why is that Bengal has this unfortunate? If TMC simply decides to play by the rules and not by the danda which they do, we won't have all this problem.